Hey Rangers, it's Mr. Meadham again. I was out here working on my trim for my windows, routing it. Super sunny a little bit ago, even though it's butt cold, and now it's snowing. Yeah, awesome. Anyway, maybe I better move inside. Good morning, Rangers. It is Thursday, the 16th of April. I'm in my shop working on some window trim. So I have one over there, one hanging upside down, and this guy here. 3 of them done. I am making 5 more. It's the jam extensions in the trim for the windows in the house. Right now I am routing the edges, top and bottom, for this sill plate that goes on the bottom of the window. And so that's what I'm working on right now. So I got to make 5 more today. That's the project. And it snowed this morning. You can't see outside, but anyway, it's about gone, and it is kind of cold, but the sun is kind of out, so we're dealing with it. Hello Rangers, good afternoon. I have got 7 of my frames done for the windows in the house. I am working on the last one right here on my sawhorses. I am making pocket holes, and that is going to mount like that, and I screw that down, and that's how I put those together. I do the same thing on the top. Just about ready to do the last one over here, and so I got it clamped up on my jig. And I take my drill and I just drill through here like this. And I will do that 2 more times, and then I'll assemble this last frame, and I get to take them in the house, fit them, make sure they fit good, and then I can prime them and get them ready for paint. So there they are, all 8 of them, all done for the house. You see the jam extension on the top, those top 3 pieces, and then the bottom is the sill. It's going to go underneath the window. So there's still going to be trim on the outside perimeter and a little piece on the bottom. This is the main piece that I needed to get started for each window. Hello Rangers, Mr. Meadham here. I am in my kitchen doing the finishing touches on my maple syrup. Usually I let it sit for about a month after I finish it the first time. Let all the sediment and all the sugar sand fall to the bottom. And then what I do is I pour it out. And I'll see if I can show you this in here. And you'll watch, if you can see there's some sand in the bottom of the jar. And as soon as that sand hits the lip, I pull it back. And then I have about this much that's just kind of a little bit junky. And so you can see the rest of that over there. And so then I'll let those settle and get all the sugar, sand, and junk out of that. And then these 3 big pots here, wherever I'm at on my stove, I have all fresh, clean syrup, just kind of getting up to temperature so that I can get my jars out of sterilizing the jars, and so then I can put them away for the year. Okay. All right, so we're putting in the last of the finished syrup. All the jars have been sterilized, all the lids have been sterilized. We're going to fill this up to the bottom of each funnel. And put the lids on, and we will have our batch done for the season. All this stuff will either be for our house or for sale. So that's it. Hey there Rangers, back again last time here for today. So I got about almost 7 gallons there of syrup. That's probably a little less than half of what I got, so I got to do this one more time and get the rest of it all final canned. For use or for sale, like I said. So it should be all set. That's my exciting day while it's like 30 degrees outside, kind of snowing, and late April. So I didn't want to be outside today, so I thought I would tackle this inside job. So signing out. Hello Rangers, Mr. Meadham here. I am working on my boy's treehouse with his buddies. That's Sam down there on the ground, and then Levi in the orange hat, and Lucas, oops, wrong way. They're twins. I always get them mixed up. Lucas in the orange hat, Levi in the back. Anyway, we moved our treehouse. It used to be over there in that dirt spot, and now we moved it into the woods here a little bit, and then I made a bigger deck for it also. And so it used to be just this rectangle over here. Making a bigger deck. We're going to put a zip line on there on the other side by the slide. It's going to be pretty sweet. So, what do you guys think?
Perfect!